In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move from the Dashlane desktop app to the Dashlane web app efficiently and seamlessly. This quick guide will help you set everything up in under 5 minutes, so let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and search for the Dashlane Chrome extension. This little tool is essential because it connects your Dashlane account to your web browser, allowing you to use all the features of Dashlane directly in your browser. Depending on your browser's preferences, you might see various options. Make sure you find the official Dashlane Chrome extension link and navigate to its page. Once you're on the page, take a moment to ensure that the extension is already installed. If it is, you'll notice a Remove from Chrome button, which indicates it's currently installed on your browser. If, however, you see an Add to Chrome button instead, that's your cue to click on it and initiate the installation. The process should take just a few seconds, and you'll receive a confirmation once it's successfully added to your browser. With the installation complete, it's time to log into your Dashlane account. Click the D icon, which signifies Dashlane, located among your extensions. At this point, if you've logged into Dashlane before, it might automatically sign you in. If not, enter your credentials carefully to gain access. Once you're logged in, this extension acts as your trusty gateway to the Dashlane web app. Next, you'll want to click on the three-dot icon, usually labeled as More, which offers additional options related to the extension. From that menu, select Open the app. This action will transition you from the desktop version or your extensions bar smoothly into the Dashlane web app. Once you open the web app, it will launch in a new, full browser window. This setup gives you not only a broader view, but also the full functionality of Dashlane right at your fingertips. Here, you'll find all your stored information accessible and ready to manage as you see fit. It's like having an office for your passwords and personal data right within your browser. You can explore various features, manage your passwords, and ensure everything is in place and secure. That's pretty much it. With just a few clicks, you've transitioned from the Dashlane desktop app to the Dashlane web app, gaining the convenience of managing your digital life directly from your web browser. Keep this guide handy for future reference, or if you need to guide friends and family through the process. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this makes your digital management a breeze.